Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to study mathematics on the Khan Kids application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should select the account that you would like to use by clicking on the on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So select from these options that you have added, and then click on the library icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the math icon at the top. And here you can see a vast variety of exercises organized into distinct categories. First of all, you should select the level of the exercises. Here now it is set to age 3, which is preschool. As you can see, you have like 6 options, so click on the relevant one according to your child's level. And here you can see several exercises based on the age of your and the grade of your child. So for first grade students, there are addition, subtraction exercises, operations, place value, measurement and shapes, and there are also practice exercises. So if you're interested in doing any of these, just simply click on the relevant one, and then you will be able to start the process of studying or practicing. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.